Continuing on with our seed file conversions, we're going to now do our sheet model. So we'll go to Browse, and we'll open our sheet seed file. And it's very unlikely to have a civil model in a sheet seed. I've never seen that before, so we're going to skip that step here. You certainly can do it if you want to with the key in, but we're going to go back to the backstage again. So File, Settings, File, Design File Settings, and we'll go to our working units. We'll change our master unit to feet. If you want to change your suffixes, you can. And we'll edit our units of resolution, and we'll change this to foot, change our solids back to 10. Okay to that. And then on your civil formatting, don't forget to retype this to 100, press enter so that it gets the correct number of decimal places there. And then we'll say okay. Okay, and save settings. And then let's take a look at our models. And you'll see, like in this example, we do have multiple models in here. So we will need to do the same steps then to our next model. So we'll go into this one. We'll go to our backstage, settings, file, then design file settings, working units, change this one to feet and inches, change our suffix if desired, go to our units of resolution, change to foot, 10 on our solids, okay, and then you can go ahead and change your civil formatting again, 100, enter, and okay to that, and save settings again. And so you'll want to repeat this process then for every model in your sheet seed file. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and disassociate the file. Again, we're in no workspace, no work set, so file disassociate work set, and then we will save settings. No reason to look at coordinate systems in the sheet model. You're not going to be using those here. Last thing we need to do in our sheet models is to change the sheet size. And so I'm going to open up the Properties panel, and then I'm going to go to the Models dialog. And you'll need to do this for each of the models that have a designated sheet size. But you'll see here, for example, with the ANSI D, you'll see the numbers that are rounded. And so what we'll do is, one model at a time, you need to go pick a different sheet size and then come back to the one that we were at, and that resets it to the true numbers. And so this would be our ANSI D, and so you should see those nice round numbers there. So you'll need to do that for each of the different models. For example, you'll see this one is stacked, and so that's actually an entry that we made. And so you can come in and just pick something. It doesn't really matter. If I don't have excess stacked in here, in my sheet sizes def file, that's fine as well. You can just go back here to custom and type in, what you want it to be. For example, if I wanted that to be, like a really long row plot or something like that, I can just type that in if you're custom. So, but go ahead and fix each of these sheet sizes to the new nice and round numbers one at a time, and then make sure that when you're done to save those settings.